This Sony Hi8 camcorder uses a wheel instead of up and down buttons to navigate the menu. And instead of an OK button, you just push in the wheel. But look at the way the menu is all jumpy when I try to turn the wheel. The internet says there could be dirt in there. It says DeoxIT cleaner for conductive plastics might work. The tube one, not the spray one. Let's see if this works. Just 2 or 3 drops, I think. Let's try this wheel again. Well, that didn't make a difference, so I applied another 3 or 4 drops and then I blew on it. Well, that is better. Still a bit jumpy, but not as much as before. I can actually move through the menu with relative ease. Thank you, DeoxIT Fader Lube Liquid. You made my camcorder menu wheel less jumpy. Be a good chap and press the thumbs up button. I made this video for you. It's the least you could do. I mean, I could have been cleaning the garage or making my famous Portuguese sweetbread in the time it took me to make this masterpiece.